Meaning of first class.
First class.
First class.
First class.
First class. First class typically refers to a high level of quality or excellence. It is often used in reference to travel accommodations, where first class seating generally offers greater comfort and amenities than economy class. In educational settings, first class may refer to the highest level of academic achievement, while in business it can describe top-tier products or services. Overall, first class implies a premium experience characterized by superior quality, luxury, and exclusivity.